Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-25 steering track rod bolt for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be doing part 2-25 steering track rod bolt for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Okay, so we're doing another bolt. Oh, I hope this lasts bolt for a while. But no worries, all good practice. So again, right plane, circle, center point, that's going to be 10 mil. 10 mil. That's going to extrude 19 mil. 19. Done. Got some beautiful color on there. Sketch on that plane. Circle. That's exactly what we've done for, just different dimensions. So circle, that's going to be 20. Okay, that's the same. And that's going to be 6. Extrude. 6. Nope, not 7. 6. There we go. Done. Then on the end, this one, it's going to be sketch, circle, exactly the same. And that's going to be 8 mil. Otherwise, I do such big circles, that way I know exactly where it is. I'm not getting locked on anything. So I normally do things like that. Oh. Alright, let's try and move that down. I've got you actually can grab that and... Nope, not that one. Grab the end there, you can actually make it different sizes. What about that? I control Z and undo it. But yeah, if you want to do adjustment, you can always do that. But I think it's just easy to type it in. It's going to be extrude 7 feature, extrude 7 mil, and done. And that's going to be whole wizard thread. First point there, up to selection 2, next point there, and that's going to be M8, not M10. We want M8. So back down here somewhere. That's 80. There we go. 8 1 by 1.25 and done. And that's part 2-25 steering track rod bolt done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed that, you want to see more, subscribing. Thank you for everyone's support. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.